This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're about to test NFC now, so update iOS and restart the phone to clear temporary issues. Once done, add the NFC tag reader to Control Center if your model shows it. That gives a quick manual reader. Make sure battery is over 20% and remove any thick cases or metal objects that can block the antenna. Now place the tag or device near the top middle of the iPhone and swipe down to open Control Center, ready to activate the reader. Start by using the Control Center reader or a trusted NFC app to scan a known working tag. This isolates hardware versus tag issues. If nothing reads, try a different tag or a public transit card that you know works. Comparison narrows the fault. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset radios and test again. If apps require permissions, grant them in settings so the reader can access NFC. This step-by-step rules out software, permissions, and accessory interference. If scans still fail, reset network settings to clear conflicting radio configs. Remember, this removes Wi-Fi passwords. Once reset, update or reinstall the NFC app you use and check for any carrier or system profile updates, then test again. If you still can't read tags, perform a final restart and try scanning in a quiet electromagnetic environment. Troubleshooting tip: if multiple tags fail and everything else is correct, schedule an Apple diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.